Hi everyone, happy Poetry Month. My name is Kathleen Maris Paltrineri, and I'm going to share a poem titled Sawmill Road that was in the last issue of Spoon River Poetry Review. Your mother and sister live in the city in which you died. I would have the hardest time not driving by the house, making a ritual of it, like a lit candle, like words sketched on a page. This was the essential quarrel for you and me. A man is not contained in a body. We planted an apple tree in the front yard, your mother, sister, and I. What else could migrate into newness? I lived in the house with your mom for months, running my fingers along your handwritten manuscripts and the plush collar of your blue fleece jacket. I kept thinking I would die soon too, overlooking the fact of my body, overlooking how long it takes to winter into fruit. Thank you.